Today I'm checking out this Carbide Rotary Burr that was sent to me by EZARC so I can do the review. I'm going to get it out of this container and we're going to check this thing out. So this tool is really easy to use. You can put it in a drill like I have here, which is how I'm going to be using it. Or there's other type of rotary tools that can handle shafts that are like this that you can use. There's different types of grinders and so forth. But I'm going to be using this with my drill, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you can deburr with this and kind of clean up edges, things like that, with a bit like this. So if you had some metal pipe, maybe some joints like this or anything like that, or something maybe that just had a bad edge on it that you wanted to clean up, you could just use something like this to come in and if you can see in there, it's just kind of rounding out the inside of that, kind of grinding off any kind of loose areas in there. Anything that would keep you from being able to connect things like this, you could do the same on the outside. And it will just come in and just shave that stuff off. Of course, you could also use it on wood and plastic or whatever. It's definitely can handle metal, so you would just have to be a little more delicate with wood or plastic, but yeah, it would do the same thing. It's like having a router bit in your hand to smooth up your edges. Works really good. It's got good teeth on it. Think it's going to last me a good long time. Only time will tell on how long it lasts, but I mean, it really looks nice, like it's going to be able to hold up. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.